Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the electronic stability control, or ESC, system on your Chevy Malibu. The ESC system is crucial for maintaining control, especially during slippery conditions. Often, a malfunctioning wheel speed sensor is the culprit behind the warning light. We'll walk you through the most effective way to address this, ensuring your vehicle's safety features are fully operational again. Let's get started on getting your Malibu back in top shape. Before any repair, accurate diagnosis is key. You'll need an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read any stored trouble codes. These codes, like C0035 or C0040, will usually indicate which specific wheel speed sensor is causing the problem. This step saves you time and ensures you're replacing the correct part. Don't skip this, as guessing can lead to unnecessary work and expense. Once you have the code, you're ready for the next step. Replacing the wheel speed sensor is a straightforward process. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands after lifting it. Remove the wheel where the faulty sensor is located. You'll then find the sensor, usually attached to the wheel hub or steering knuckle. Disconnect its electrical connector, unbolt the old sensor, and carefully install the new one. Make sure it's securely fastened and the electrical connection is firm. Once the new sensor is installed, reattach your battery and use your OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any lingering trouble codes. Then, take your Malibu for a test drive. The ESC warning light should now be off, indicating a successful repair. If the light remains illuminated, it might suggest another underlying issue, or perhaps a different sensor is also failing. But for most cases, this replacement will resolve your ESC problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.